Ah, he's found... Oh, yes, that's right. Just lay in your puddle. You don't care, do you? I think he was a hippopotamus in a previous life. You found a puddle then? That stinks too. Oh my. It's a good job we love you, isn't it? Yes, you're being very silly. Yes, you are. We need to go and find some long grass for you to run through. Get you clean again. I mean, why don't you just go the whole hog and roll over in it, you know? I was only joking, Boris. Think about it. Yes, we haven't had a muddy puddle video for ages, have we? It's starting to rain now. Come on then, shall we go? Come on.